You ever wondered if Google plays favorites with the local results based on your location?
Yes!
Well, buckle up, because today we're going to dive into a fascinating ranking pattern discovery, and it's called Google's local pack clustering. When Morty discovered and shared this 2-to-1 ranking pattern with us, we knew we had to investigate. Picture this. Google's sneaky little method of taking two businesses that are very close to each other and then ranking a third business that is far off from those two businesses. Why does Google do this? That is a good question. Watch to the very end of this video and let us know what you think Google's reasoning is behind this Google local pack clustering. Before we get too deep, what the heck is the 2-to-1 ranking pattern? In Maps, Google consistently takes two businesses that are ranking side by side and then introduces a third business that is further away, creating this triangular pattern around the three businesses that is centered around the searcher's location. Google consistently shows results that are clustered around the searcher's location and creates this interesting 2-to-1 ranking pattern. This is especially interesting in larger locations such as Los Angeles or Houston. Even when searches are performed at the state level, the 2-to-1 ranking pattern remains consistent, just on a much larger scale. And guess what? Even when you're chilling on your couch, performing searches that are far away from you in other states, Google still consistently delivers this 2-to-1 ranking pattern. How's that for consistency?
I am a machine.
So here's the deal. Google loves this 2-to-1 ranking pattern, just like they love a bottomless pot of coffee on a Monday morning.
I'm already on my second cup.
This is my third.
Yep. Now here's where things get even more interesting. Google has a thing for the center. Not the delicious chocolatey center, but the geographic one. They consider it to be the heartbeat of a location, whether it's at the city level, a zip code level, or even the state level. Google loves centers. This makes a lot of sense when you're searching for something like the best gym that's close to your house. But when you're searching for something like resorts in Nevada from your house in Minnesota, the center of the state is not necessarily where you're going to find your best options. Sorry, Nevada, but Las Vegas has much more to offer than tumbleweeds and cacti. Local searches are not always done by people in that area. Google, you could do better. You know, like giving us a more dynamic local pack ranking algorithm. Pretty please? If you enjoyed this mind-boggling journey through the map pack clustering craze, we'd love to hear your thoughts on why Google is constantly doing this 2-to-1 ranking pattern. Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. It tells the ranking algorithms how awesome we are, and then you get to watch more of our videos. Thank you.